Welcome to I-Beam's Construction Pay Application Guide, How to Submit Payment Requests for Construction Contracts. In this video, we will review how to locate your project tab, how to check your Schedule of Values or SOV, how to create a construction pay app, error notifications and how to fix them, and frequently asked questions. In this section, we will review how to locate your project tab. I-Beam is a project-specific system, so when creating a payment request, you must be within the specific project you're billing for. If you do not see the project tab needed, you will need to add the project to your toolbar. To do this, click the plus sign at the end of the existing tabs to open the search window. Start typing a project number or project name into the search field. Once the project appears in the search results, click to select, which will then add the project tab to your toolbar. Note: if the project you are looking for does not appear for selection, you may not have been given access and will need to contact your Avalon Bay coordinator. In this section, we will review how to check your Schedule of Values. Before creating a payment request, we recommend that you always check your Schedule of Values, or SOV, to confirm there is enough funds remaining on your contract. Important: I-Beam will not allow you to bill for more than your remaining balance per line item on your contract. To check your SOV, click the project tab needed. In the left window pane, select Contracts and Payments, Commitments, Construction Contract. You should see your contract populate to the right. Double-click anywhere on the contract line to open your contract record. Note: if your contract does not populate, please contact your Avalon Bay project coordinator. Your construction contract will open in a new window. Click the More Actions option at upper right, then select SOV. The SOV of your contract will open in a new window. Here you will be able to review each line item of your contract. Once you have confirmed you have enough funds available for your invoice you want to submit, you can start creating a construction pay app. Important: if you have questions regarding your line items or available funds, please contact your Avalon Bay project coordinator. In this section, we will review how to create a construction pay app. Click the project tab needed, navigate to the left-hand window pane, select Contracts and Payments, Committed Payments, Construction Pay App. Next, click the Create button. The Create New Construction Pay App window will open. Note: step-by-step instructions can be downloaded by clicking on the link in the Instructions field at the top. Complete the main form of the Pay App record by completing all required fields marked with the red asterisks. Make sure to scroll through the entire record to confirm you have not missed any fields. To pull your contract into the Construction Pay App record, be sure to click the Select icon to the right of the Contract PO field, not the drop-down arrow. You should see your construction contract populate in the next window. Single-click on your contract, then click Select at bottom right. If your contract doesn't populate, please contact your Avalon Bay project coordinator. Alternatively, if you know your contract number, simply place your cursor in the Contract PO field and start typing. Once your contract appears for selection, simply click on the contract number to pull it into your record. You will now see that your contract information has populated to the Construction Pay App record. Continue to scroll to complete all required fields marked with the red asterisks. If your project team requires an invoice attachment, navigate to the Attachments tab in the right-hand pane, click on the paperclip, then Browse. You have the option to drag and drop your invoice document here, or click on Drag and Drop and it will allow you to browse your computer for your document. Locate your invoice record. Single-click to select the record. It will now show in the File Name field. Then click Open at the bottom right to select the attachment to upload. You will now see your document in the Upload window. Click Upload at bottom right. Important: your invoice number, invoice date, and invoice amount on your attached invoice must match the information that you have added to the required fields of the construction pay app record. If these do not match, accounts payable will return your pay application back for revision, causing a delay in your payment. Continue to scroll the entire record to complete all required fields marked with a red asterisk. Next, you will need to add the amounts you wish to bill for the line items of your SOV. At the top of your screen, navigate and click on the Line Items tab. The Line Items window will be blank. You must click the Add button to the left to see the line items of your SOV and be able to enter the amounts you are billing for. Now that your line items of your SOV have populated, you may need to maximize your screen to see all columns or use the scroll bar at the bottom. Locate a line item that you'd like to bill against. Then double-click in the Amount Requested this period cell for that line. Enter the amount you're billing for, making sure that you have not exceeded the amount shown in the Balance to Complete cell for that line. Repeat the process for all other line items you are billing for. Once you have completed billing against all line items needed, confirm the total amount shown for the Amount Requested this period column matches your invoice attachment. Reminder: if the amount does not match the invoice uploaded earlier to the Attachments tab, your pay application will be returned to you and cause a delay in payment. Next, click the black Save button in the upper right corner. Finally, click the Send button at upper right. After clicking Send, the Workflow Action Details box will populate. The Workflow Action field should say Submit. You will now click Send at the bottom right. In this section, we will review errors you may encounter when submitting a construction pay app. SOV locked. No line items have been selected. Unsaved data will be lost. You have missed at least one required field. In this section, we will review the SOV locked error. If your SOV is locked after you pull in your contract number, an alert error will appear at upper right. Clicking the error notification will display an error message explaining the issue. If you missed the previous SOV lock notification, you will receive this SOV locked alert when you click into your Line Items tab. This alert lets you know that your SOV is locked by another business process. This typically means that there is either another pay application record in flight, or there is a change order with deductive lines in flight which is affecting the SOV. IBeam will not allow you to submit a pay application record until the in-flight record is fully processed. Please contact your Avalon Bay project coordinator to gain further details. In this section, we will review the No Line Items Have Been Selected error. This occurs when you try to send the pay app record forward without adding the line items that you want to bill against. To fix this error, click into the Line Items tab. Next, click the Add button at upper left. Double-click into the Amount Requested this period cell for the line you'd like to bill against. Enter the amount and repeat for each line you wish to bill against. Next, click the black Save button at the upper right. Finally, click Send at upper right. In this section, we will review the Unsaved Data Will Be Lost error. This error will occur for two reasons. The first is you did not click the black Save button at the upper right corner before clicking Send. To fix this, first, click the No button to confirm that you want to go back to save your changes. Next, click the Save button at upper right to save your data, then click the Send button. The second reason you will receive this error is when you have overbilled on a specific SOV line and IBeam will not let you move forward until you adjust the overbilling. To dismiss the error, first click the No button to confirm that you want to go back to make adjustments. There are two ways to locate the overbilling error. First, the red circle with the white X at the left of the line item. This shows you the line was overbilled. Second, you will see the negative line in the Balance to Complete column. To fix this error, double-click into the Amount Requested this period column for the line that needs correcting and adjust the amount you are billing for. Once completed, click the black Save button at the upper right, then click Send. If you do not have enough money to bill against and you are unsure how to proceed, you can save the pay app as a draft by clicking Save as Draft, then reach out to your Avalon Bay project coordinator. In this section, we will review the Missing Required Fields error. If you receive this type of error, then you have missed a required field in the Pay Application tab. Note: the error message you receive may be different from those displayed on the screen, dependent on which required fields you have missed. To fix, you must click back into the Pay Application tab. Use the scroll bar to locate the missed required fields, which will now be highlighted with a red box. Enter the missing information, then click Send at upper right. In this section, we will review frequently asked questions relating to when you're unable to see your contract record, what to do when your line item tab is blank, when there is not enough balance remaining for your invoice, what revise and resubmit means, and determining the status of a submitted pay app. In this section, we will review why your contract doesn't populate when you search for it. There could be two reasons for this. Your contract is not yet fully executed, or you were added to the project as a user after your contract was executed. Please refer to the end of this video to contact IBEAM support for assistance. In this section, we will review how to resolve a blank Line Items tab. You clicked into your Line Items tab and it is blank. To see the line items from your SOV, you first need to click the Add button at the upper left. Once you click Add, your SOV lines will appear. In this section, we will review what to do if you do not have enough money to bill your invoice. If there is not enough balance remaining on your SOV, please contact your Avalon Bay project coordinator to request a change order. In this section, we will review what revise and resubmit means. When you receive an email task stating that your pay app has been returned for revise and resubmit, this means that an Avalon Bay project team member has sent the pay app record back for revision. To take action, under your Home tab, click on Tasks, locate the pay app that has been sent back for revision, double-click to open. Next, click the Accept button at the upper right. Note, this will make the record editable for you to make the requested revisions. To review the revisions needed, click on the Comments tab in the right-hand preview pane of the record. When the record is returned for revision, the sender will typically leave a note here explaining what is required. Once you have made the revisions requested, click the Send button at upper right. In this section, we will review how to locate a pay application record to check status. Click the Project tab needed. In the left-hand pane, click on Contracts and Payments, Committed Payment, Construction Pay App. Locate the pay app record you want to verify status for and review the status column. If you need more detail on the record's status, single-click on the pay application record line. In the right-hand preview, click on Workflow Progress. This will show full details for who the record has routed to for approval and who the record is currently with. If you need assistance, please contact IBEAM support on the IBEAM support helpline at 866-864-3470 or email us at i-beam_support@avalonbay.com. Thank you for watching.